Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Facebook pixel in Showit. Alright, so first up, open up your Showit account. And then once done, click on Edit My Website. Okay, after that, go ahead over to your site settings. In here, click on Site Settings. Now in here, under Integrations, you will have Google Analytics, Tag Manager, and Metapixel. Okay, as you can see here, it needs only our Metapixel ID. So where do we find that? Go ahead and open up your Meta Business Suite or business.facebook.com. All right. And then once done, go to the left panel, click on All Tools. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, go to the right side. And in here, you should be able to find Events Manager. Okay, just click on it. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, as you can see here, right off the bat, you'll be able to see your Pixel ID under the Pixel name. Okay. You could also check Setup Integration. Okay, just click on it. This is under Datasets, okay? Now go ahead and select the pixel in here, for example, right here at the top. Just click on it. Now go ahead and go to Settings. To double check, right here, we have the dataset ID. Okay, just click on it so it will be copied to the clipboard. And now you can go ahead and go back to your website, paste that in here. And then once done, just click on Save. And if you want to, you could always choose to not include this one on blog templates. But if you want to learn more, just click on this hyperlink. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.